The incident form in Agent Workspace is similar to the incident form in the classic work area. You can create and copy incidents, propose a major incident, create a problem from an incident, attach resources to the incident like knowledge base articles, and more. Let's see what the incident form in Agent Workspace looks like and what resource information is readily available. In the list view, we see all modules that are configured in the workspace, like Incident, Problem, and Change. We'll open one of the incidents already assigned and take a look. The landing dashboard displays incident details in two sections: Record Information and Activity Stream. Another section displayed by default is Agent Assist. Click the Agent Assist icon to toggle it on or off. Resources populated are based on the short description of the incident. In this case, issue with email. What types of resources are available in Agent Workspace? Resources will vary depending on what type of record you're viewing. For incidents, you'll see open and resolved incidents, open and resolved problems, open and closed changes, knowledge articles, catalog items, and questions. To see the populated resources in an area, select the category. We'll select Knowledge Articles. Then select a card to view more information. How do I attach a resource to an incident in Agent Workspace? To attach a resource to an incident, click Attach when the resource is open. Or if you're viewing the list of cards, click the menu button and select Attach. What other information do I have access to in Agent Workspace? Records related to the incident are listed at the top, such as task SLAs, child incidents, and outages. And the number of related records is noted in parentheses. For instance, there's one child record. To see the record, click the Child Incidents tab and open the record. How do I create a copy of an incident in Agent Workspace? One advantage of creating a copy of an incident is you don't have to manually enter field values. To copy an incident, open the record and under the More Actions button, select Copy Incident. Then search for the caller. The copied incident will automatically open in a new tab. For more information, see our product documentation, knowledge base, or podcast, or ask a question in the ServiceNow community.